I did try this escargot, and I did like it. I was afraid of it because right before I ate it, Morgan was like, "It's a snail," and I was like, "I know."
I just wanted him to know, you know.
I appreciate you telling me the truth.
Story.
Yeah, I'd rather have the truth. Give it to me straight. But I liked the escargot. I liked it fine. I haven't tried better escargots.
Yeah.
Hey, before we get started, I wanted to take a second to thank our subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, if you could pretty please subscribe to our channel, it helps us out so much and allows us to keep doing this. Also, please check us out at neverlandnavigation.co.
Hi, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Jake, and we
are
Neverland Navigation Co. And today we are reviewing the one and only CHEFS de France in the France Pavilion of EPCOT.
Yep, and we are about to go eat, hopefully, an amazing meal there.
It is time for our reservation. Follow us inside and we'll let you know what we think. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
All right.
And we just ate our food.
Yeah. We just tried the restaurant.
Yep, we got a couple different appetizers. We tried the escargot.
French onion soup.
Yes, and a goat cheese salad. So I ordered the goat cheese salad. It is a small fried bit of goat cheese over a salad with greens and walnuts and grapes and tomatoes. The salad was really fresh. I liked the vinaigrette that was on it, and I loved the fresh grapes in there. I didn't think there was a lot of goat cheese going on for it to be called a goat cheese salad.
Yeah.
But
it was mostly lettuce.
It was mostly lettuce. I did enjoy the freshness of it though.
Yeah, the escargot was good. It wasn't like the best I've ever had, but it was good.
This was my first time trying escargot.
Yeah.
I'm a Florida boy, and I don't go to fancy restaurants a lot. But I did try this escargot, and I did like it. I was afraid of it because right before I ate it, Morgan was like, "It's a snail," and I was like, "I know."
I just wanted him to know, you know.
I appreciate you telling me the truth.
Story.
Yeah, I'd rather have the truth. Give it to me straight. But I liked the escargot. I liked it fine. I haven't tried better escargots.
Yeah.
But I also
escargot usually tastes a lot like butter and garlic.
Yeah.
It's got those strong flavors.
I've heard that.
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah, I heard that through the grapevine.
Okay.
And the French onion soup, I'm not a big soup person. It's a texture thing for me. But I actually did like the French onion soup because the cheese was, I loved the way the cheese melted into the soup. I thought that was really nice.
Yeah, it was good. It was really good French onion soup.
Unfortunately, I think
Unfortunately, that's where the good news ends.
I enjoyed the appetizers a bit more than I enjoyed the entrees.
Yeah, the entrees were definitely underseasoned this time. I will say that we've been to this restaurant before and it was really great the first time. That was like 4 years ago, so might be a hit or miss kind of situation, but I ordered the salmon.
Yes, and I ordered the beef. We'll put the actual full name of the dish in here.
Yeah.
But the beef was served with noodles and a sauce. It was a slow roasted tender piece of beef that I really enjoyed, especially with the sauce that came with it. I didn't think there was enough sauce, so we ordered some more sauce.
There wasn't enough salt either.
There also wasn't enough salt, so I did salt it. The salt and the sauce did help, so that was great. Unfortunately, it did come with some noodles that I thought were kind of slimy, under seasoned.
There's no sauce on them. They're just plain noodles.
It was very bland, and unfortunately, I think even the beef, even though I really enjoyed the texture of it, the flavor wasn't super robust, which I was hoping for at a restaurant like this.
Right, and at an expense like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not that it was bad. It just wasn't to the level that it should have been for the cost.
Is that how you felt about the salmon
That's
too?
how I felt about the salmon too. The salmon came with like a champagne sauce. The sauce was very good. The salmon did not have like that crispy texture around the outside that it should have had. I also had to salt it. There was like no seasoning whatsoever on the fish. again, the sauce was really good. It came with white rice and then peas and carrots, which I also found kind of bland.
Right.
So I feel like the entrees bland might be the word.
I have to say, this is a restaurant that I've been walking past since I was a kid, and I always thought
pretty.
It was so pretty and so fancy, and I always wanted to eat inside. And today I ate inside, and I'm not gonna lie, I got my hopes up thinking it would be great, and unfortunately, it under-delivered.
Oh, the bread.
For me.
The bread was really good.
Oh, if you are here for bread and sauce, then oh my god, do they have you covered?
Really,
because
really
the
good.
bread, first of all, when you walk in there, it smells like bread. And it like hits you all at once, so it makes you really want bread. And when you get the bread, that part knocked it out of the park. Oh
Yeah.
my, the bread was so good.
The bread was good.
And then when it got
Just
to the
thought it was
actual
worth
food,
mentioning.
yeah, that is definitely a plus. But
It
when
was warm.
yeah, when it got to the actual food, it was a little so-so. And this
Yeah.
is definitely a more fine dining priced experience here at Epcot. So I was hoping for big swings and lots of flavor, and unfortunately, it didn't get all the way there for me.
Same, yeah. So we did not even partake in dessert because we weren't thrilled.
Yeah. But
so-
hey, that's the way it goes sometimes.
Yeah.
Also,
And that's why we're here.
yeah, and there are plenty more dining venues all around World Showcase that we want to try, so we can kind of fill you in on our experience with those places, and maybe we'll come on back to this restaurant in the future and see if things have changed or
The
improved.
location was very pretty.
Oh,
we
yeah.
were able to see some of the fireworks. From our table.
Yeah, Morgan was able to get us a great reservation that happened during Harmonious, the fireworks spectacular here at Epcot. And the views were really pretty. I really enjoyed watching the fireworks show without hearing the big boom of the fireworks.
They do not pump in the music though. So
Right.
if I know that some of the restaurants do that, or some of the hotels also do that, and then you can actually watch the show from where you're at.
Right.
This, you do not get the full show experience. But if you've already seen the show,
Like us.
we decided, that this would be a good place to see it from.
I would say the fireworks and of course the company were the best part of the meal. I really enjoyed the atmosphere of the restaurant with the fireworks, and I like the idea of a culinary focused fine dining French themed restaurant
Yeah, we
here
were really
in France.
excited for the French
Right.
restaurant.
Yeah. They also have another restaurant upstairs here at Chefs de France, which is called Monsieur Paul's. So maybe we'll give that one a shot as well, and maybe that will be a better France dining option for us.
Yeah.
And we'll also try other locations around the World Showcase and kind of see what our favorite dining options are here. So definitely stay tuned and follow along with us as we try more food.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments if you've had a different experience. I mean, if it's a hit or miss kind of restaurant and we just had a miss night, let us know. We love talking to you.
We would love to hear from you guys. If you had an amazing experiences at Chefs de France and you're like, you had an off night, you need to go back, that's definitely something we would consider. But we would love to hear from you guys, your opinions about the restaurant. So go ahead and like this video if you guys enjoyed hearing our thoughts about this restaurant. Make sure you subscribe so you can be the first to know when we've got new videos out trying new things here at Walt Disney World. And stay tuned for our next video where we try something new. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. It is time for our reservation. Follow us inside and we'll let you know what we think. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh no, we're wearing microphones. But I liked the escargot. I liked it fine. I haven't tried better escargots.
Yeah.